You work at Whataburger?
Yeah, we have Whataburger.
It's just us.
Shrimp, and then we have chicken.
Shrimp?
Two wonderful birds here.
Have
Now, the Honorable Judge Phil is going to judge, as
fruit
always.
salad.
It's an awkward situation for Phil because a judge is supposed to be unbiased.
Submission number one.
And
But he's married to the chief opponent, so he's
and
put in a
potatoes.
quandary.
And then we have
Thus the blindfold.
pickles.
He's going back.
Do you have chicken nuggets? You do? How many?
Number two.
4.
4? How much is it?
$100.
$100 for 4 chicken nuggets? That's a lot of money, don't you think?
Yeah. So you have to pretend.
Oh, I have to pretend? So are you taking my order?
Yeah. What you want?
I want chicken nuggets. And do you have French fries?
Yeah.
And a Diet Coke.
And the Diet Coke. Okay. It's on just different orders. And